Hello, Mike here from Successful Affiliate Influencer. Do you need a website to earn money online? No, you don't. Today, I'm here to help you earn money online without a website. First of all, to have a website built properly by a professional will not be cheap. It will cost you anything from $500 to thousands of dollars, which you don't need, plus the cost each year for the website. So forget websites. All you need is a landing page. Now you're thinking, but I need a landing page to be built for me. Wrong. Landing pages are already built for you. You will have a small fee to pay each year. Now, not all landing page companies would do affiliate work or weight loss. You name it, and these companies will not touch you, i.e. MailChimp being one of these companies. So you will need to send an email to find out who will accept you for what you are trying to sell. Now, the best company to use are Aweber and GetResponse. Now I use GetResponse. To start with, you will only need one landing page, so you will only need the email package. With the email package, you can have up to 1,000 contacts in your autoresponder. This will cost you £10 a month. I live in the UK. I think the dollar will be a little bit more. I have a link below for GetResponse. Check it out. It is very easy to use, which I found out, as I am not the best person when it comes to computer work. So if I can use it, then I am 100% sure you can. As I say, check it out with my link below. With this package, you have one landing page plus the autoresponder for sending out your emails to the people who have signed up on your landing page. Now then, your landing page. You will find in GetResponse there are already pages designed for you in whatever niche you are in. The best way to get people to sign up with you to get their email address is to have a free ebook to give away. You can easily write an ebook. You can get all the information you require from the affiliate page whose product you are going to sell. When you have all the information you require, go to the free website called canva.com. You can upgrade in this site to a paid option, but there is no need to do this. They have lots of front covers you can use. All you need to do is put your own wording on the front of your cover, then download it to your computer. This cover you can use on your landing page. Next, you can add text below your front cover. 6 to 10 pages are ideal for a free ebook. Then download to your computer again as an ebook. Then upload your ebook to Google Drive. Here, you'll be given a link which you can put on your landing page so your customer can download your ebook. As I said before, download your front cover of your ebook before you add your text. Now, when you come to build your landing page, they are already designed for you, as I said before. All you have to do is change the text, also add the text to the free ebook cover. Just replace what they have on the GetResponse landing page. Below this, you will see where you can add your link for your free ebook for your customer to download your ebook. So now you can build a series of autoresponders. Again, they are already built for you. All you have to do is change the text, which will be all about your product, which you wish to sell to them, and put the link in from the product you are selling. Now, people rarely buy straight away, which is why you need to send out lots of emails to your prospective customers. It can take from 6 to 10 emails to hook a customer. So don't give up just because they don't buy straight away. Remember, once you have their email address, you can send them other offers similar to your other product. One point about selling, let's say, earn money online. Don't send them an email about weight loss or any other type of product. You need a separate landing page for this. Doing this will get you a bad name in the industry. Now, I have a free book down below this video on affiliate marketing, so click the link below. I also have a link to GetResponse for you also. As I said at the start of this video, you don't need a website. If you did, you will still need a landing page. So cut the expense out and start with a landing page. This will save a lot of hard work, as I said. Most of the work is done for you. Now, if you are new to affiliate marketing, then download my free ebook. I am here to help you to become a successful affiliate influencer. It doesn't happen overnight. You have got to be prepared to put the work in to be successful. So let me help you become a successful affiliate influencer. So sign up and let's get started together. If you have not subscribed to my videos, then click the subscribe button below, then click the little black button next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video is coming out. This is Mike from your Successful Affiliate Influencer signing off.